مساء الخير. هذه قصة بسيطة حابين نشاركها ونتعلم من عندها بعض المفردات. خلينا نبدي بالقراءة. Once the wind and the sun had an argument. I'm stronger than you, said the wind. No, you're not, said the sun. Just at that moment, they saw a traveler walking across the road. He was wrapped in a shawl. The sun and the wind agreed that whatever could separate the traveler from his shawl was stronger. The wind took the first turn. He blew with all his might to tear the traveler's shawl from his shoulders. But the harder he blew, the tighter the traveler gripped the shawl to his body. The struggle went on till the wind's turn was over. Now it was the sun's turn. The sun smiled warmly. The traveler felt the warmth of the smiling sun. Soon he let the shawl fall open. The sun's smile grew warmer and warmer, hotter and hotter. Now, the traveler no longer needed his shawl. He took it off and dropped it on the ground. The sun was declared stronger than the wind. The moral lesson is, brutal force can't achieve what a gentle smile can. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.